In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a PayPal account. Make sure that you are on the PayPal page right here while in English. As you can see, I'm just going to click on sign up on the top right corner. Here, you have to actually specify which type of account you're using. Keep in mind that to use PayPal, you have to be also 18, and you also have to be in the country that PayPal is allowed in. Some countries has PayPal prohibited. Go check that in the link down below. As you can see, if you're using a personal account just for shopping and doing typical stuff, use a personal account. If you have to send invoices to customers, use a business account. In this case, I'm just going to show you how to create a personal account, as it's kind of the same process. I'm going to pop in my phone number and I'll be right back with you. After popping in my phone number, I'm going to be prompted with an SMS verification. Keep in mind that you are almost ready to create your own account. Here you are going to pop in the following information: an email address, a first name, a last name as well as a randomly generated password. Please keep in mind that a password should actually be really randomly generated. Don't include anything that's personal or your name into this password. Click on next, and now you are going to fill more information. I'll be right back. After filling all those information, you'll be prompted and you'll successfully create your account. Then all you have to do is head to the login tab right here and log in with your account. That's it for today's video, and goodbye.